Okay, features of Excavator. 1 detachable tool and 2 detachable tools. Adapter, adapter in progress. And let's see. Here's a 1 arm in progress. Almost done. Gotta get the chains longer though. Yes, and that's kinky. Damn it, Sig. Now here's the finished arm with the chains. Fingers can be pulled. I forgot about that. They're just, ball joints. Let's see. Here's another tool. You can spin. Yay. Spinny things. And this little doohickey up here with the pink, you can move around because it can. Now, that's about it. Well, hold on. If you want to make a backstory for her, go ahead. And if I like it, I just might use it. So, yeah. Now I'm done. Goodbye.